আসসালামু আলাইকুম এভরিওয়ান, ভালো আছেন নি সকল? আজকে যাইলাম আমরা কর্নওয়াল। আমি বাসা থেকে একলা আর 5-6 জন ভাই আছেন, তারা যাইবা স্টেশন থেকে। সো লেটস সি হাউ ইট গোজ।
Mama, I'm a criminal. Mama, I'm a criminal. Mama, I'm a criminal, criminal, criminal. Mama, I'm a criminal. Mama, I'm a criminal. Mama, I'm a criminal, criminal, criminal. Mama, I'm a criminal.
Мама, I'm a criminal. С голыми руками или в руках АК. Тебе это не коснулось, так это пока. Ладно, мне пора, братка, пока. Мама, I'm a criminal. Это то, чем живет детвора. Забыть.
So মাত্র স্টেশন থেকে বেরোইছি, গাড়ির জন্য ওয়েট করতেছে। As soon as it comes, we gonna go.
Oh, I don't know why I'm holding myself back.
I'm fighting inside.
Oh, I don't
Some days, days. I'm fighting inside. 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 I'm fighting inside.
So this was our Airbnb. Let me show you around.
I'm fighting inside. I'm fighting inside. Some days, days.
Common area.
I'm fighting inside. Some days, days. I'm fighting inside.
When tripping or walk. Viral.
She got a body like a goddess, and she talks so sweet. It's like I can't believe I'm the one that she wanted. And if I'm really being honest, I know I could be everything she needs if she let me get on it. Yeah. So come here, baby, listen close, hold me tight, don't let me go. Girl, you know that I'ma want you all my life. But I got so much left to do, except for falling in love with you. So I'ma let you keep me up another time.
We came in Minack theater, I guess. Yeah. Just park our car. So we're gonna go on the beach now. Apparently we have to buy the ticket before we go to the Minack theater, but we didn't. So it's like, whatever. We're just gonna go on the beach. Let's see. Came all the way down there to here. গরিবের ব্লগার Whoa!
All these white lies got me hypnotized. Get out of my head,
Just like
get
that.
in my bed, I'm broken. It's only a matter of time. Shifting my paradigms. You harm me, you hurt me, I'm sinking and drowning, and I don't deserve it. Your heart is frozen. The water is rising, and I'm just a drop in the ocean. Drop in the ocean. I'm catching your love in you pick me up and pull me down, hold me up so I
Can't lie, we had so much fun here, but we have to go now. And we got to eat as well. Some fish and chips, you know. See ya, bye.
This one is a dangerous route.
Finally back in London, yeah. So they just dropped me over there, and I'm gonna take the bus and go home straight away. Easy as that. Was a nice journey though, can't lie. It's a good one. You should definitely try. Bye guys.